Okay, good day, ma'am. Today, I want to discuss the basic components of the computer system. So, first of all, let us define what is a computer system. So, the computer system po is a combination of hardware and software that work together to perform tasks. So, the first one, parts of the computer, ma'am, are the central processing unit, which is also known as a brain of the computer, and also executes instructions, performs calculations, and they manage data. And the next one is the motherboard. So in other term, we call it the main circuit board that connects all parts of the on all the components of the computer. So the third one is memory, or the RAM. That's we call random access memory. Ito po yung parang temporary storage that holds data and instructions for quick access by the CPU. So ito po yung storage device, HDD or SSD. When we say HDD, ito po yung hard disk drive, and the SSD is the solid state drive. So yung HDD po, ito po yung mga uses spinning disk to store data permanently, while yung SSD naman, ito parang siya, faster or no moving parts and more reliable than HDD. And the power supply unit naman, ito po siya, converts electricity from the outlet and also usable for computer components. So bali ito yung nagbibigay ng supply sa computer. Parang siya yung nagpo-provide ng power sa motherboard, sa CPU, and other devices. So and input device and output device. So let us define what is input device and output device. So para mabilis nating maintindihan, yung input device, yun po yung ginagamit natin for example, typing. And also yung anong ginagamit natin for typing, it is keyboard. Yung namang for navigation and interaction, gumamit tayo ng mouse doon. Kaya yun yung input device. Yung sa output device naman, yun yung mga display. Ito, example, monitor. And also, parang nagpe-present siya ng data from the computer. So, for example, itong monitor, bali, nagdi-display siya ng visual output. Next are yung printer. Once na yung input device mo are na sa storage processor or storage data processor, bali ipiprint na siya dun sa output. Yun yung bali yung output device, yun yung kalabasan natin, or yun yung ginagamit natin para mano yung mga prints, yung documents, for example printer. Yun lang po, ma'am. Thank you.